I-share ko sa inyo mga tol kung paano punta doon. So manggagaling kami ng Woodland. So pupunta kami Museum of Ice Cream of Singapore. So ang nakita ko doon na pinakamalapit para hindi kayo mapapagod galing ng MRT. Pupunta mismo sa Singapore Ice Cream Museum. Talagang 750 meters siya. Wala talagang umiikot doon na feeder bus. So ang pinakamalapit na nakita ko is either Commonwealth, Queenstown o Red Hill. So ngayon pupunta kami ng Commonwealth. So from Commonwealth sasakay kami ng bus. Samahan niyo kami. Let's go! Ayun mga tol, bali galing tayo ng Woodlands, nag-red line tayo going Jurong East, tapos from Jurong East transfer East-West line yung green line, tapos bababa tayo ngayon sa Commonwealth. So mag-exit C tayo. Okay, go. Rock and roll. Yes. Later lang. You said we will go to the Museum of Ice Cream. So this is the fastest way. Go, 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 go. Hi. Yun, tulog. Ayan mga tol, nandito na tayo sa Commonwealth. So ang bus dapat kasasakyan namin is 105. Pero may mga kasama tayong bata, so magta-taxi na lang kami, magmi-metered taxi na lang kami. Then from there, kasi kahit anong sakyan mo, pag baba mo dun sa mismong lugar, wala kasing feeder bus. Ang layo niya talaga is 750 meters na lakarin. So antay na lang kami ng taxi. Ayan. So ayun yung mga number ng taxi dito. Yan. Ito na tayo sa loob ng taxi. Mabilis tayong nakakuha. Siyempre doon kayo po pwesto sa taxi stand mismo. So ayun yung taxi number. Yes guys, mga tol, yan, Museum of Ice Cream. Yan po na-research ng anak kong lalaki. Ayan, sa TikTok, mga nagti-TikTok. So ito yung Ridley Park. So Dempsey na ata itong sakop nito. Ayan, punta kami sa loob. Pink na pink. Nakaka-amaze po yung lugar nila kasi last year August siya nag-open. Ayan, so mag-iisang taon na siya ngayong August. Ayan, ayos, ito linya. Pwede nyo rin siya sa online, meron dong QR code, press nyo na lang, tapos yan, bayad online. Hi hi. Bata na. Nakakatawa. Next, ice cream treats. Treats bar. Ayun, ito yung first ice cream treats. Yan, so unlimited. Yan. Yun. Ang flavor nito, ma'am, anong pangalan niya? What's the flavor? Chocolate. Chocolate and strawberry. Yeah. Yes, chocolate. Ayun. Pilipino siya mga tol. Bali, ang entrance dito is 42 SGD sa mga adult. So 2 years below, walang bayad, libre. So, yung isang anak namin, libre. Kasi 2 years old pa lang siya. Yan. Dito, pwede kayong gumawa ng pangalan. Kung anong gusto nyo. Sally, what are you doing? Okay. Are you having fun? Are you having fun? Okay. Jukebox. Andre.
Tatay, gusto niyo tumawag.
Mga pangalan to. Nice. Oh, so many Sally, so many Sandri. So many tatay. Sally. Sally, Sandri. 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 Sally. Hoy. Sally po. Ayan, merong mga spring obstacle dito. Tapos may mga swing, basketball ring. Ayan, tapos may ice cream treats din. Okay. Let's go. Let's go to the next room.
Let's go to the big park.
Wow. So cozy. So this tunnel is a lots of bananas. Bananas in bananas. Wow, what is that?
You give to my papa. You say two. Yes.
Hi. Ice cream. What's your name?
My name is Bubblegum.
Bubblegum. Wow. Strawberry cheesecake. Yes. Yes, please. All right. Yo.
Okay. So before you guys enter, I have a few rules for you. Rule number 1, please remove your shoes before you guys enter the spring of 2. Rule number 2, make sure that there are no loose articles in your pants or your pockets, such as earrings, earpiece, or rings, because you don't want to be losing them when you enter the ball pit. Rule number 3, please sanitize your hands before you enter the sprinkler pool. And if you do want to bring in your phones, you can, but make sure that you leave your phone on radio mode in the max volume so that if your phone do drop in, you can contact your phone and then can help you find it.
Okay.
So,
Last station is Sprinkle Pool.
and you can leave your belongings here. You can leave your phone there as well.
Ito na yung last station natin, galing dun sa parang restaurant. Ito yung Sprinkle Pool na tinatawag, yan. So, kung ano yun nasa loob ng bucket nyo, dapat tanggalin. Kasi pag nalaglag nga naman, ang hirap hanapin yan, no? Tapos, kung magdadala kayo ng cellphone, kailangan naka-max volume para kapag ka nalaglag, pwede nyo siyang mahanap. Ay, tao. Yun, last door. So, palabas na mga tol. The experience continues at Museum of Ice Cream Cafe and Bar. We hope you had the sweetest time and we can't wait to see you again soon. Alright. Dito na yung gift shops. Gift shop lang pala, isa lang. Yan. Very nice. Very nice smell.
Yeah.
Museum of Ice Cream. Hey, don't play that one.
Sell them now.
Ito na yung ating cafe bar. Yan. Hey, Saylee! Saylee, what are you doing there? Now, come here. So yun mga tol, ayos ang ating trip sa Museum of Ice Cream, Singapore. So ayan, salamat sa pagsama sa panonood sa Damekwas Singapore Sojourn. So stay safe, God bless to all. Rock and roll.